Hey everybody, PourMan here, circling the globe and the golf course, bringing you the best drinks wherever I find them. Today we're on the golf course and we are in the midst of mediocrity. On my right, we've got the morning show host at 107.5 alternative.
X107.5, get it right. Here, I'll cue him.
All right.
X107.5.
Okay, and on my...
It's Mahoney.
Mahoney, not Dave. And on my left over here, we have...
98.5 KLUC.
CHET.
Buchanan
Freakin Buchanan. Bam. And we are going to have, Gabriella is going to make us some of the best Bloody Marys on this course, in this city, in this world.
This is the one thing you said that's true.
Are you about ready?
One part that's true.
All right, fire away. Come on in. Get some of that. Oh, wait a minute. On the behind the mic, we've got RJ Shadow, world famous caddy at Shadow Creek Golf Course. Now you're ready. Bam.
Boom, huddy hip.
Looking good. We like active ingredient. So
we're doing the vodka first.
Okay,
always
sounds
on
good.
ice. Got your Bloody Mary mix.
Impressive shots there. I'm talking about lefty layup.
Good.
That was impressive lefty layup. I just want to let you know that.
Yeah, these are going to be some good ones, RJ.
I hear you.
And all four of them are spicy, yes?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Because we're spicy guys.
It's the first she's ever heard that one.
Is that the first time you ever heard that, Gab?
Spicy.
No, we're spicy guys.
No, I haven't heard that one before.
Stop
See?
the
Crackers and pepper.
nonsense.
We are
Always a
original.
must.
Love it, love it.
Hot sauce, Tabasco.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want to be shy.
Load that bad boy up.
You know all those lines where they say
All right.
You don't have to
like
have
Mick
salt,
Jagger, all lip,
I don't.
no hole
I
or
do have
something.
limes. Would you like some limes?
dude. Sure.
Okay.
Let's live dangerously. Those are looking good. What do you think, Arj?
I want one without a lime.
No
Okay.
lime.
You got to be different.
Well,
All right.
I'm thinking about my
Looking
birdie.
good.
Here's one.
All right. Mahomes. What up, yo? Here's one. Thanks, sir.
I'll
There's
get you guys
Chet.
lids and everything.
True story. Poor
Absolutely.
man Mike loves what he does. He loves this and he loves you for watching. Thank you so much. Gabriella's the greatest. Mike, by the way, the thing you don't know, Mike's tipping her $100 for this. Unbelievable.
Wow.
And some special PourMan gear.
Here we
This
are.
is for you, RJ.
Thank you, sir.
Get you guys some lids
Mahomes.
and whatnot.
Over
Cheers,
here.
RJ.
Let's
Cheers, bro. I just want to make my putt.
Gentlemen.
It is.
What did you guys do? Did you
Ladies.
guys part or? Oh, my bad. Did you guys part? I got it. You're out.
All right, back to me.
Eagle.
Okay.
There we go. That is good. You guys should do this. To get the recipe, go to pourmanmike.com. And if you push this button right over here, you'll instantly become a Pour Minion, which gets you ahead of the line speed pass for each and every new PourMan adventure and some other cool stuff. So, till next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. We'll see you around.